Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to contact BookMyForex customer support. So if you also want to contact BookMyForex customer support, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar, type in bookmyforex.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of BookMyForex. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to contact BookMyForex customer support, you can also call them. You can see the number over here. You can simply dial this number and call them. If you do not want to call them, you can also click on the customer care option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to contact BookMyForex customer support. You can also visit their office if you want. You can also call them. Simply dial this number and call them. You can also send them an email. Simply send the email to this address. Customer support will be available from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday. On Saturday it will be available from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can also contact them by submitting a message. All you have to do is enter your name first. Simply enter your name. Now enter your email. Also enter your phone number. Also select the inquiry type. Click on this option. Now select the inquiry type. Now what you have to do is enter the message. Simply type in the message including the problem you need help with. Now scroll down. Verify you're not a robot. Now click on the submit option that you can see right over here. After that it will be submitted. They will contact you through your email. So that is how you contact BookMyForex customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.